Jill.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Thank you so
Good.
much for being on the show.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a great honor.
You're welcome. Okay, so Desiree is a tax consultant, and we're going to learn from her today about her business. She owns her own business, so we're going to talk about why did she do that, why did she start her own business. We're going to talk about how she did it, how she started it, and how she grew it. We're going to talk about the results in her life, both personally and professionally, and we're going to talk about what she does and what small business owners should do when it comes to taxes. So Desiree, tell us a little bit about why you did it. Why did you start this business?
Well, I started my own business because I'd worked for some larger law firms and financial planning firms in the past, and I really wanted the opportunity to provide the types of services to clients that I believe they needed and have the option to do it on my own time and in my own way. And having my own business gave me the opportunity to do both of those things.
If you'd like to find out how she did it and what the results have been in her life both personally and professionally, you can watch the full interview at the Bloom channel. Well, lastly, let's talk a little bit about what you do. So tell us just briefly an overview of what kind of services you provide to small business owners.
For small business owners, I do all areas of planning. There's always business planning, like buy-sell agreements or different sorts of agreements that you may need within your business or company. That's also part of estate planning, so I'll do that with their business and their families. Also, all areas of taxation, so if they are setting up an entity, considering setting up an entity, we can analyze it and figure out the best type for them, as well as the tax advantages or consequences so that they make the right financial decision for their business. Also, again, tax preparation, of course. Sometimes clients run into tax issues, usually before they get to me, and then I help them solve them. So I help provide them with a lot of tax advice because people don't always understand that the tax code was written for business owners. It's created to help you succeed. So it's important to understand how it works in your favor so that you are able to utilize it to its fullest capacity. And then along with that, I just help them with helping them plan, grow their business through just things I've already talked about, like networking or creating like power partner relationships, because with any business, whether it's new or old, you always need the constant flow of referrals, and there's nothing like it in business.
Fantastic. Great. Well, thank you so much for being on the show. It's been fantastic to learn all about your business and how you did it.
And thank you so much for having me, Jill.